guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kanika from Kanak Jaipur, and today again I'm sharing another DIY video tutorial on how you can create these amazing bookmarks or tags, or you can say tag cum bookmarks. So let's get started. So these are the bookmarks which I have already created, and just want to give you a glimpse on how it looks. They have a vintage look with the script and different designs. You can see all of them are different and unique. So before starting with the tutorial, I just wanted to show you the versatility of the bookmarks which I have created. Like, after watching this video, you will be able to create these many designs and even more. So if you are recreating any of the DIYs, do share them with me. I would love to watch them. Have a look on this geometric design. It has circle, it has squares and rectangles, and have a perfect blend and mix. Have a look on this. It has the same honeycomb design which I have used in my art journal, and the link is mentioned already. So I have these pre-cut papers. Some of them are like leftover pieces which I have collected with me, and I will be using this Dress My Craft tag punch. It is totally optional. If you want to use this, you can use. Otherwise also you can use your scissors and cut the design as per your wish. I feel it is very easier to work with, and you get a wonderful shape, and it is very quick, so I prefer this. So now I'll just quickly do this die cutting thing so that I have the base ready, and then I just need to use my inks and create the beautiful bookmark. Now this design is my favorite design, and you can create this design, or like the width of the bookmark should be 2.5 inches, and you just need to punch it, and voila, we are done. Look how beautiful this looks. So if you have any bulk order, or you have a time foundation, so you can purchase this tag punch, and you can easily create beautiful bookmarks very quickly as well. So now let us start with the coloring process. So I will be using the Distress ink Vintage Photo, and I will be using archival ink in the color Jet Black as well. For ink application, I will be using this ink blending tool. You can also use your finger dauber or sponge daubers as per your wish. So I will be using the stencils. Like, this is the first bookmark which I will be creating, and to create this I will be using this iCraft stencil. Using this stencil, I will create this background. You can see the squares and the rectangles, and the circle thing I will be making using this Expressions Craft stencil. This is the round mandala stencil. I will also be using this masking tape so that my bookmarks doesn't move when I'm using ink. So what I'm doing is I'm just placing my masking tape onto my craft sheet so that the thickness of it gets reduced and it does not tear off my page. So I am just placing over my stencil, and I will just secure my stencil as well using my masking tape, so that while I am coloring, the stencil does not move away. Now I'm loading my ink blending tool with the Distress ink Vintage Photo, and just going to and fro. You can see, using the masking tape, I have made my work very easy, and I don't need to hold on my stencil vigorously. The color application is as per your wish. If you want darker shade, then apply the ring and then reapply. If you want lighter shade, just apply one layer. And you can see I just wanted to show you a difference between the light and dark, so I have used the dark ink. this time. And now I'm using my rounded mandala design and changing over my ink blending tool and just picking out the archival ink and just placing the ink over my bookmark. You can see I'm not covering all the areas in the bookmark, but I'm just inking it somewhere here or there. We are done. It is very quick. Also, you will notice the color difference in the vintage photo that I purposely did to show it to you all. So now, just to finish it off, I am using my distress ink vintage photo and I will just give it the corner distressing so that the colors get blended very well and it looks natural. And we are done. So I hope you like this first one. Now let's move on to the second one. For second one, I will be creating this script design vintage look bookmark. So to start with, I'm just repeating the process of using the masking tape. This time I'm using the vintage photo again and I'm just covering the background. Make sure you apply the ink from outside and then come inside like the way I'm showing in the video. Don't directly put your sponge dauber onto your bookmark, otherwise you will spoil it. So for the script, I will be using this Dress My Craft script stencil. This is the mixed media stencil which Dress My Craft has, and I will be using my black archival ink again. Likewise, I will just make sure that my stencil is placed properly. So I'm just picking up my sponge dauber, I'm picking the ink in the sponge dauber and just applying it vigorously. If you want the darker shade of archival ink, just apply the more ink. If you want lighter shade, then don't pick up more ink on your dauber. So you can see this time also I have the light and dark shade in both the bookmarks. So I just wanted to show you all the difference. Now I'm just inking the edges like the last time. I'm just distressing the edges so that it looks very natural. So you can see we are done. You can see the one which I made recently has a darker shade, as I just wanted to give you all the difference. So I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial, and these are all the tags which I created. So if you're recreating these bookmarks or tags, you can say, then do share the pictures with me. You can message me on Instagram and also comment and share your thoughts that how did you like today's tutorial. I hope you all enjoyed it. Thank you all for watching. Till then, happy crafting. See ya.